Chromium picolinate is the major supplemental form of chromium, as it is not consumed as the element in typical supplemental form. A lot of the food that we eat contains chromium. 7 high chromium foods include brewer's yeast, which is one of the richest sources of chromium, broccoli, with around half of your recommended intake in a cup of the vegetable, free-range eggs, sweet potatoes, corn, grass-fed beef, oats, and other whole grains. However, due to several reasons, such as not liking the taste of those foods, having an allergic reaction to some of them, or perhaps a restricted calorific intake, some people may prefer to take chromium picolinate supplements instead of depending on those food as their source of chromium. Chromium picolinate is better absorbed than other forms of chromium. Those supplements will therefore be more effective and will provide the recommended dosage of chromium without worrying about not getting sufficient intake. Some benefits associated with chromium are: first of all, chromium may increase the action of insulin. Insulin increases glucose uptake, promotes the storage of glucose in muscle and liver cells, promotes the synthesis and storage of fat in fat cells, and increases protein synthesis. Therefore, chromium helps a lot in maintaining blood sugar level by monitoring it and stabilizing it. Chromium also helps to maintain a perfect metabolism in the body by regulating the various processes that take place and speeding up the rate at which they occur. It also helps in regulating cholesterol. Researchers have proved that chromium helps to reduce the amount of triglyceride levels in your blood, which cuts down the total cholesterol level in the bloodstream. Chromium also reduces the risk of getting hypertension, and it helps with weight loss. Signs of chromium deficiency can be easily noticeable. They include rise in anxiety levels, gaining weight, fatigue, as well as muscle weakness and a decrease in performance, which include not being able to complete a workout with full energy. Other signs of deficiency include slow growth rates in kids, and severe symptoms could resemble those of diabetes. The recommended daily intake of chromium depends on your gender and age. On average, males have a higher recommended intake than females, and this recommended dietary allowance of chromium increases with age. Chromium picolinate also helps in losing weight in several ways, which include, as I mentioned before, the reduction in the levels of triglyceride, which reduces the overall fat in our body, as well as increased metabolism, which boosts the reactions of digestion and hydrolysis and provide us with more energy. One significant way in which chromium helps in weight loss is by reducing appetite and carbohydrates craving, making us full more and not craving anything sweet anymore. After taking chromium supplements, levels of energy will increase and you'll be capable of doing activities more vigorously, more time efficiently, leading to a better performance. It also helps in increasing the lean body mass and reducing fat body mass, both of which can be helpful for athletes. Just like any other supplement, an excess of chromium picolinate could have its potential negative side effects, which include headache, nausea and vomiting, insomnia, fatigue, kidney and liver diseases. Chromium picolinate could also interact with other medication that is used. Therefore, seek the advice of your healthcare provider and make sure not to take more than the amount allowed on the label.